In this video, I'll show you how to install Elementor Pro from a zip file. Alright, so here we are on WordPress, and the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the plugins section. And here in plugins, you just want to click on add new plugin and just search for Elementor and hit install now. Once it's done installing, just click on activate. So if we head back to the plugins page, you'll be able to see a list of all your plugins, and you want to click on Get Elementor Pro next to Elementor. What that'll do is it'll take you to Elementor's website, and you'll just need to log in, and you'll see a little download icon, and that will be the Elementor Pro download zip file. So back on the plugin section of WordPress, all we need to do is click on add new plugin on the top here. And you want to click on upload plugin. And here in choose file, you just need to navigate to wherever your downloads go to and install Elementor from that zip file. So you'll hit install now. And when it's done, just hit activate plugin. And you should now see that you have Elementor and Elementor Pro. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.